So people, here we are on the train, come here to New Medina place, and this is the Joy supermarket, Sultana Le Medina, and we're gonna show you a little bit inside and do some shopping. So people, here we are in the shop or supermarket. There seems to be a lot of toys and clothing.
I got a great video, you know, about 11 minutes I was recording.
So people, this is the supermarket. So here's some clothes, some local Arabian clothes, and then we got some designer, but quite cheap designer by the looks of it. So they got some traditional stuff in the market here, supermarket. Some drums, which I could a little bit play, and some pots, shishas, some arts and crafts. Tunisia, I'm assuming it's French. Some pictures. Bob Marley. And some traditional African stuff, including camels, and then more Bob Marley. Looks like sweets and crisps on that side, and some more pottery, so pottery and mirrors, pottery and mirrors. And they've got here to rest Quran on, so you just read Quran. Yes, there are Islamic stuff here as well, and the local stuff. Fish. Oh, to drink something. And there's more stuff here. And the household stuff, pillows, duvets. So the supermarket is called Joy's, by the way. There's Robin. Robin is on a call, probably tired. He's got half an hour to rest before we get back on the train. There's more household stuff. The plants. That's a real plant, by the way. Cup, mug, and the spider. Oh, the stuff there, and Billy enjoying himself after watching Spider and Robin rob people. For real. Is there anything on that side? Oh, rubbish. There's nothing to buy for kids.
Clothes, yeah, it sounds good. Kids.
Clothes.
Your clothes good up there.
There's chili stuff here. have a look. Got girls' clothes here, ladies' clothes. Actually, this whole section is like girls, ladies. Yeah. Oh, there's a men's section. So some men's clothes. Super sale. Yes, John. Oh, jeans. Not interested. Ah, glasses. And girl, little baby stuff.